Hello, welcome to Glad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to add withdrawal method on Tango app. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Tango app. The next thing is to click at the left top corner of your Tango. Click on your profile. Clicking on my profile, I just have to scroll down and click on Get Money option. Clicking on it, I just have to click on Add Withdrawal Method. Now you can see the different method of adding withdrawal method. We have the bank transfer, we have the carrier billing, Visa, Airwazoo, Pazzo, Pepper, and Pioneer. All you need to do is to click on the top right corner. You see the add option close to it. You just have to click on it, come to the terms of service and policy, and type in your details. So guys, that is it on how to add withdrawal method on your Tango app. If this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.